Hey everyone, and welcome back to Fixin Two. And in today's video, I'm going to be working on the blower motor on our 2013 Mercedes Sprinter van. Alright, so the other day when we turned the car off, we noticed that the AC was still running. Where is it? Was still running like this. Yeah, pretty much like that. So we did some research and found out that the blower motor resistor is bad, and so we went ahead and bought a new one because it's 8 billion degrees here in Georgia and we need AC. So quick tip, if you're still waiting on your blower resistor to come in and you need to turn your AC off, there is I can't see it. There's a white plug right here, this thing, and it goes in right there. And you just plug it in and unplug it. It's not that hard, it's just hard to get to. That didn't make sense. Alright, so step one, you're gonna need to open your glove box. What the heck? How did those get there? And then there are two screw bolt, what do you call them? There's screws on each side. And you're gonna undo those. Alright, so that's it right there. And to undo it, you're going to have to go counterclockwise with it. There we go. Alright, there you go. And then about the cords, those are just... Oh, I see. Alright.
Set tabs on both sides. Just kind of push the tabs in.
Yeah.
And then just wiggle the, kind of pull from the wires and a little bit and kind of wiggle it back and forth. It should come out. If it's not coming out easily, then maybe push the wire back in a little bit.
It hurts.
There you go.
Alright.
Okay.
Get your new, whatever it's called.
Reverse order.
Put it back in. Doesn't matter which way it goes.
Yeah, it's got little.
This way. Wait, where is that?
It only goes on one way. There you go.
Now you find the thing. Assuming I'm doing this right. I'm probably not.
Well,
there we go. There we go. Now it's in.
all right, now
you clean up your glove box.
clean up your mess that you made. And reverse order.
Yep. Well, good news is we got it in. Bad news is we just went through all that work unscrewing when you could have literally bumped these tabs up here, which makes that fall down, which you can literally get to it. Oh my God.
Idiot.
Idiot.
Alright.
Well, now you know.
Well, good news and bad news again. You can access it. You can get to it. You can, yep, you can.
You can break your fingers.
You can get to it, but the hole's not big enough to take it out.
Square hole, round peg. You can cut it if you want to.
Yeah, but who wants to do that when you can literally undo like 6 or 7 screws and get to it?
But
Yep, it works now. That's bad. That's bad. Yeah. Turn it all the way on. Now, when it's on, it'll turn off.
Yep.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. We're going to be working on the AC blower. That's not right. Mercedes Sprinter, no. Our Mercedes Sprinter. Stop. No. Are you?
Welcome back to Fixin Two.
No. He's in Panama. Leave him alone. No, he's in Panama. It's 8 billion degrees outside. Be working on our 2013 Mercedes Sprinter van. What was I supposed to say next? Oh, the thing about the blower.
Welcome back to Fixin Two.